So today, everybody, we are going to be making something a little sweet. We wanted to, you know, have some sweetness in our life. So we decided to make chocolate cupcakes, because really, you can never go wrong with chocolate cupcakes, right? So that's what we're doing. Will you tell the people what
we're stirring our liquid ingredients, and we're going to be adding our dry ingredients. Charity's got them all mixed to a nice consistency.
Take a look at that, Jim. Or Bob, or whoever you want to be.
Jim Bob.
Okay, so she's going to mix that slowly into...
You have to be a little bit careful, because, you know, you don't want to make a mess, but you know what? Kitchens are supposed to, you know, be durable to make a mess in. And look at this. Check this guy out. Oh no. Amazing machines these days. No elbow grease in this cake. Grease would be bad. So let's check that out.
We just gotta let that stir a bit. We're gonna step it up and let it see about stirring a little. Ooh, not that much. That doesn't work. Stirring it up. We're going to have a little secret ingredient today. It calls for a cup of boiled water, but we're adding a little zing by adding coffee instead of water. So for those little chocophobes with a little caffeine zing, we're adding a little spice to your cake today, your cupcake.
That's right. So that's what's cooking in our kitchen. I hope you too are cooking something up as well.
Yeah, be sweet about it.
Sign off.
Yum, 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 yum.